how to make and create a pharmacy logo on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for logo. Click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find a pharmacy logo option, and here is it right here, as you can see. Now click on see all and choose any template you want. From here you have many templates, for example this one, and you can change anything you want from the text. For example, Jacob Pharmacy, and it's very easy to edit, as you can see. After you finish editing, go here and click download. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.